Hello, my name's Phil and I work for the Customer Services Department at the Hozelock head office in Birmingham. With over 50 years horticultural expertise, we at Hozelock understand the rewards of gardening and want to help you get the best from your garden. And if your kitchen tap has a spout with an internal thread like you can see there, you can use the 2159 kitchen tap connector, which will screw directly into the thread on the spout, like so. And then your garden hose connects to that, like so. That's it. Job done.